Jumptech has allowed us to move away from manual coordination to a really repeatable growth engine that gives us the confidence to be able to say yes to these new large-scale partnerships that drive real opportunity and growth. It's been really amazing to see the EV demand change over time. We went from sort of steady, manageable interest to about a 500% growth in leads, and commercially that growth has been really instrumental for us. We were seeing quite significant drop-off in the journey, too much friction for customers trying to convert, and we were leaving those customers behind.
As demand increased, our biggest challenge was how we could streamline our operation across multiple different work streams, and working off of spreadsheets, we identified that just wasn't a scalable option. Ultimately, it didn't really set us up for success in the future. When we're reviewing all new surveys now, we can standardise our approach across the board, making it easier for our engineers to understand the requirements of each job in a standardised way. We're now seeing more consistent SLA adherence.
We've really worked on understanding that journey and understanding the drop-off points and how we can optimise it. We found that we've got a reliable backbone now to our processes that mean that we can use the same systems and processes for hundreds of installs as we can for thousands, and that gives us the confidence to be able to grow on that blueprint. Once we optimised the journey with Jumptech, we reduced the time to install by 25 days and increased conversion by 50%.
Having a solid platform in the background just gives you the confidence that you can take scale without having either additional people or the risk of manual errors. We could take on national fleet contracts. We won a global automotive partnership because we had all of that automation in the background, so that we could be really swift, really slick, give a customer a great experience, being able to run them through our journey end to end, a completely digital experience with automation in the background through the Jumptech platform, just helped us demonstrate how efficient, how much of a great customer experience we can offer. It's also really important to be able to give automotives data back. Having a really clear reporting suite that we can then feed back and work through together can make a huge difference.
If I could describe Jumptech in 3 words, it would be reliable, scalable and dynamic.
I'd call it our hidden gem. It's the silent platform that we have running in the background, but which is the foundation of us being able to deliver really quickly, really efficiently and at scale.